Wanna means want to. Want to. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home, right? And আমরা যদি নরমালি বলি I want to go home, তাহলে এটা অনেক দেরি হয় না? শর্টকাট হচ্ছে I wanna go home. সিনেমার গানের মধ্যে দেখবা I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. তারপর কি আছে? ওয়ানার পরে কি আছে? gotta mean got to. You've gotta go. You've gotta go. তোমাকে যেতে হবে. You've gotta go. outer মানে কি? outer means out of. outer means out of. I'm out of money. I'm out of money means আমার টাকা নাই, right? I'm out of money. have to. We have to go. আমাকে যেতে হবে, right? I have to go না বলে we have to go না বলে we have to go. I don't know না বলে I don't know. Hey, I don't know means I don't know. I need to, আমার প্রয়োজন. You need to know about him. You need to know. Cause, because that is সঙ্গে বলে cause. I cry cause I'm in pain. I cry cause I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Right. তারপর the kinda. Anna's kinda cute. Anna's kind of cute না বলে Anna's kinda cute, right? Anna's kinda cute. Let me না বলে কি বলে? Let me. Hey, let me see what you are doing there. Let me see. Hey, let me see what are you doing there, right? What are you writing there? Let me see. Gonna means going to. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Give me না বলে কি বলে? Give me the book. Hey, my boy, give me the book. Right? Give me, pass me না বলে give me. তো আমরা বলে give me, but give me না বলে give me the book. Sort of মানে কি? Sort of এক ধরনের, right? Sort of. She's sort of tired. Yeah, she's sort of tired. Yeah, you are. I miss you. I miss you. Miss you না বলে I miss you. Right? তারপর don't you see? তুমি কি দেখো না? Don't you see? All right. এখন আসো whatcha মানে কি? What have you got there? ওখানে কি আছে? What have you got there? এটা নরমালি বলে what have you got there? What have you got there না বলে whatcha got there? Hey, whatcha got there? তারপর সে a lot of না বলে কি বলতেছো? I eat a lot of chocolate. A lot of chocolate. আমরা বলি কি a lot of না বলে a lot of chocolate. Tell him মানে কি? Tell them না বলে কি বলছে? We should tell him the truth. আমরা তাদেরকে সত্যটা বলা উচিত. We should tell him the truth. You should tell him your parents about your problems, right? You should tell him মানে tell them. I'm going to মানে কি? Amma talk to my mother. Amma talk to my mother. তুমি চুপ করে বসে থাকো না, ঠিক আছে? has to means has to. John has to work today. has to মানে কি? Has to. John has to work today. এখানে কিন্তু Why they use the hasta? Hasta হচ্ছে the third person, right? জন হচ্ছে একটা নাম, এই জন্য hasta না, have to হতো কি যদি ফার্স্ট পারসন হতো, you হতো, you have to, you have to, এটা যেহেতু নাম আছে এই যে জন hasta, have to or has to, right? John has to work today. John has to work today. Should have, উচিত ছিল, right? She should have called yesterday. তার গতকালকে কল করার কথা ছিল. She should have called yesterday. She should have called yesterday.
He should have called yesterday.
All right. এদিকে তো in it. In it মানে isn't it? It's blue, isn't it? In it. কিন্তু ব্রিটিশরা বলে কি জানো? ব্রিটিশরা বলে in it ও বলে না, ও বলে in a. ও বলে in a. It's blue, in a. Right, British, they are native, ওরা বলে in a. So it's blue, in it. Oughta, ought to. You oughta phone your mom. তোমার মমকে ফোন করা উচিত. You oughta. Used to মানে I'm used to live in France. She used to live in France. She used to. Should have, shoulda. Could have, coulda. Would have, woulda. Must have, musta. দেখো তাহলে কি হলো? Hasta, usedta, shoulda, coulda. Woulda, musta. Must, right. Hasta, usedta, shoulda, coulda. Hasta, usedta, shoulda, coulda, right? Shoulda, coulda আমার সাথে বলো তাহলে তোমার মনে থাকবে, যেমন hasta, usedta, shoulda, coulda, woulda, musta. She must have been in a hurry. She must have been in a hurry.
Must have been
In a hurry. তারপর সে do you না বলে do you like him? Yeah, do you like him? আমরা বলি do you like him? Not do you like him? Do you like him, right? Some more না বলে some more. I will need some more time.
I will need some more time.
Some more time to take my decision, right? তুমি বলো I will need some more time. Some more time. Some more time. এখন দেখো এটা প্র্যাকটিস করো আমার সাথে, দেখো কি লিখছে। I want to go home. 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 You are kind of cute. You are kind of cute. She's sort of tired. She's sort of tired. I'm out of money. I'm out of money. Come on. Let's do it. Come on, let's do it. Come on, let's do it. That's shortcut. Come on, let's do it. Would you like to cup of coffee? Would you like to cup of coffee? Would you like to cup of coffee? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let me see. Let me see. Give me the book. Give me the book. I cry because I'm in pain. I cry because I'm in pain. Because I'm in pain. I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm gonna 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 tell you the truth, right? So I'm going, you need to know about James. You need to know about James. You need to know about the James. We have to go. We have to go. We have to go. Not have to, have to. We have to go. It's not much of surprise, is it? It's not much of surprise. Much of surprise, is it? Is it? All right, পরেরটা দেখো. She's not hungry. She ain't hungry. She ain't hungry. She ain't hungry. He has to done it yet. He has not done it yet. সে এখনো কাজটা করে নাই. He ain't done it yet. He ain't done it yet. I want a coffee. I want a coffee না বলে কি বলবা? I want a coffee. Hey, I want a coffee. I want a coffee. What have to got there? What have to got there? তুমি ওখানে কি পেয়েছো? What you got there? What you got there? I eat a lot of chocolate. Lot of chocolate বললে অনেক সময় লাগে না? তুমি বলবা I eat a lot of chocolate. I eat a lot of chocolate. We should tell him the
A
truth.
lot of chocolate.
We should tell him the truth. You should tell him the truth. We should tell him the truth. It's blue, isn't it? It's blue in it. It's blue in it. Do you like him?
Do
you like him? Do you like him? I'm going to talk to my mother. I'ma talk to my
I'm
mother.
gonna talk.
I'm gonna বলেন একসাথে I'ma talk to my mother. I'ma talk to my mother. I'ma talk to my mother. John has to work today. John has to work today. She used to live in France. She used to live in France. Didn't you like this book? Didn't you? Didn't you like this book? আর যদি don't like this book তাহলে don't cha. It's a didn't cha. It is a past tense, right? Didn't cha. Present হলে don't. You should have called yesterday. She shoulda. He could have, coulda. তাহলে কি হলো shoulda, coulda, you'da, right? Used to. So that's the way you just do it, right?